Okay guys, today comment below if you think is that fair. Kody is probably launching his boat right now and taking Robin and another Kody, her husband, fishing today for steelhead, and I am stuck at the farm here. I got the lumber in the back of the truck. I'm gonna build a table to do all our shipping and all our packaging and boxing and making boxes and stuff. They said they need an extra table, so I like to try to build. I'm not a builder per se, but I like to mess around with stuff and I like to try and build stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna try to build a table today. I'm gonna take you guys through it as Kody's out there with Robin and Kody and catching some steelhead hopefully.
So I'm taking them fishing and Trent's working. Sorry Trent, you gotta go play in South Dakota. I'm gonna go have fun today. We are on the water. Trent's probably just slaving away, making sawdust right now. We're out having fun. So, we've got Kody Bales. How many years did we meet? How long ago did we meet each other?
Oh geez, how long has it been?
Probably like 7 or 8?
7 or 8 years ago, probably at the Sportsman Show.
Yeah.
Robin.
Hi.
Robin Bales is the one that makes all this cool stuff. That right there, handles all the orders, customer service. She is the Bro Nation extraordinaire.
Heck yeah.
Steelhead fishing on the North Umpqua today. Trent's slaving away, making a table for her. So we're gonna have fun and he's gonna work. It's gonna be fun today.
Got the frame done. It is kind of tough to build things when it's not on level ground, I will say that. That's why they made shims. I got the frame just kind of figured out and the legs figured out, and I'll start securing it down and starting to put some braces on it and stuff like that, and then we'll put a top on it and put a shelf underneath of it. And starting to look like a table. Well, okay, it's starting to look like legs on a couple 2x4s, but it will look like a table before it's done. Kody's probably got his, well, probably his second fish by now. I bet that they've probably caught one and then missed maybe another one, maybe another bite, I would imagine.
Update, 12:44. We have not been on the water for 2 hours and have not had a bite. I'm not holding up my end of the bargain of taking these guys fishing and catching. They're fishing great. I'm fishing not so great. Anyways, I'm thinking that Trent right now has got about 6 sheets of plywood scattered all over his barn. Sawdust, probably had the chainsaw out no less than 3 times today instead of using a skill saw. Anyways, we are trying our dangdest. We got dumped on earlier and now doesn't know if it's gonna rain, if it's gonna be sunny. Hills are green, honkers are paired up. Smell the cows in the field next to us, and it's a glorious, glorious time.
Hopefully Kody and Robin have caught at least 2 fish by now, would be my hope. Just because this is what I've got so far. Frame, it's got a bottom. I'm gonna put this bottom in it. Right now I am cutting a jig actually. I kind of remeasured, so it's the whole thing of measure once, cut twice, measure twice, cut once. Hopefully Kody, you better be catching fish. Robin, you better be setting the hook, because we are on the home stretch for the table right now.
Massive. Biggest fish of the day. There we go. Trent, the weather's good. The fishing's not bad. Company's great. I hope you're having fun building that table. Robin thanks you, right?
I do. I thank you. I can't wait.
It's time to play your games, wicked games, play your wicked games. Time to play your games, wicked games, play your wicked games. Get up out of the water before I shoot you down, 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 down.
We are done with the floor. Well, I have not screwed the floor down yet, so that's why it's not in place yet, but the floor is where it's supposed to go. So then I'll screw that thing down. Then I just have to put some braces on, put a top on this thing, sand around the edges, and I think we can put a bow on it and say, hey, let's ship some orders. Got a whole bunch of new stuff in, guys, from hats to beanies to shirts. We're working on some new shirt stuff also. The website is starting to really come together, actually. It's been a long road from there. So go check out our website, guys. I'm gonna keep on working on this thing. Please just check out and see what we got. We would love your support. This is what kind of keeps us making these films and doing this stuff for you guys. BornAndRaisedOutdoors.com. Search through the apparel stuff, and we would love to see you guys in a hat or a shirt or a beanie or whatever. All right, I'm gonna get back at it here.
All right, so we were so busy fighting fish all day long, like I forgot to turn the camera on. Is that a lie?
It's a lie.
A little, yeah. It's a
two little babies.
It was a fishing story, right, Kody?
Yeah.
Just keep going.
Keeps growing.
So Trent just set a picture of the table. What do you think?
I'm just wondering where the rest of it's at, because I saw only part of it done.
What have you been doing all day, Trent? I mean, really, you've had all day to make one little table. Anyways, guys, we had an awesome day on the water. No, really, Trent, get back to work. We've got things to do. We're gonna have fun here, packing up the boat, heading home.
Table is pretty much finished. I think it looks decent. Hopefully it holds a shipping box. Oh, I just got to sand. I'm gonna sand around all these edges just to make them nice and smooth. And I had a great time building this thing. I just like building. I'm not that great at it, but I just like to get a plan and then construct something and make it happen. But hopefully Robin and Kody are having fun. All right, I'm gonna get back at it, sand this thing up, get it in the trailer, and hopefully get it to them in the next day or so.
If you guys haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we're on to another day. See you guys.